So this machete my friend found at a thrift store and he completely forgot that he had it. I don't know too much about it, but today we're gonna go ahead and try to restore it. To start off the project, we wanted to soak it in vinegar for 24 hours just to remove a lot of the initial rust. The sheath looks very fragile and it's only being held together by tape. To give it a cleaner look, we're going to sand it down. For a finer finish, I used steel wool. I used wood glue to hold the sheath together, and then I clamped it down. I stained it with Danish oil to give it a darker finish. After 24 hours, the rust came right off. Next, I used an electric sander. I started with 80 grit and then gradually worked my way to 220 grit sandpaper. The handle was being held together by tape. I was pleasantly surprised to see a brass piece underneath. The handle was still pretty dirty, so I just brushed it off a little bit more. I used an adhesive remover to clean up the brass. To sharpen the edge, I started with a 3000 grit whetstone. And then I used an 8000 grit to sharpen it even more. We used the black emery compound to remove the scratches and the pits on the blade. For a final finish, we used the white road compound. To match the sheath, I sanded down the handle and gave it a much cleaner look. To hold the brass piece in place, I used industrial glue. I polished the handle with the same Danish oil to match the sheath. For a first-time restoration, I wasn't sure how the project was going to turn out, but I'm really happy with the results.
Yes.